Okay, so you might have noticed a big gap between the first video and this video. The reason is because you'll notice that in the video I only deadlifted and did, well, I didn't record it, but I've only showed one other exercise. Well, that's because after that exercise I got some sort of hitch in my neck. um, I don't know what it was. It was I was doing lat pull downs, just normal lat pull downs, and I felt a pop in like my upper neck, like trap area, and it hurt a lot to look left and right. I wasn't able to. Obviously now I'm able to, but because of that, I it hurt just a lot to just have weight on my neck, move in general. I had to pretty much, I was limited to like very like slight turns. I pretty much just had to turn my body if I had to look anywhere. That was really annoying. So that limited me to what I could do. So I didn't want to bench, I didn't want to squat, I didn't want to deadlift. I just didn't do any heavy lifts for at least like a week and a half. It went away after like 4 days, but I didn't want to risk it. I really wanted to make sure that whatever that was gone. I don't know what it could have been. I was worried that it might have been a slip disc, or best case scenario, I just pinched a nerve. I just didn't want to deal with that, so I just made sure I rested enough. I like as soon as that happened, I just went home. I just went home. I didn't want to deal with it. But I just that's the whole reason why I haven't uploaded a video. I'm just getting back in the gym. I already have a push day, bench day recorded. I'm gonna be editing that. That's probably gonna be out by most likely like Monday, maybe Tuesday of next week. I already have a lot of videos lined up. Um, Hopefully a bench PR coming soon, so I'll be recording that. Um, but yeah, that's I just wanted to address why I haven't posted another video.
Walking in the rain.
Also, another thing I like to address, having rewatched this footage back and having edited these clips, um, I definitely see that. Also, having done more deadlift sessions, two more, 2 or 3 more. After this video was actually recorded, this video was recorded, or these clips were recorded like 2 3 weeks ago. Um, I should have posted these a long time ago. Having already deadlifted more since these clips have been recorded, I am certain now that I think I am gonna do conventional, stick to conventional, and just focus on conventional for the ongoing future until I see just like a radical shift in my form, or I just for whatever reason I can't do it anymore, or for some reason just sumo just clicks in my head, or my body just suddenly is able to do sumo. But having done deadlifts as of this recording yesterday and then squatting today, I think I am more than capable of handling that amount of load. Now, obviously, I need to see how that's going to go over time, if I need to shift around my compounds, what days I'm doing what. Usually, I don't do deadlifts before squats. I never do that. For whatever reason, it just so happened to land to where I wasn't forced to, but it would have been better for me to do deadlifts and then squats, or back and then legs. But that's besides the case. I think I'm gonna do focus on conventional from the time being, especially looking at, because I just finished editing the clips. I do not know. I do not like the way I look. I definitely feel a lot stronger on, not stronger necessarily, but I feel more comfortable conventional than I do sumo, because I can definitely see it on my face and on my overall posture, as well as like just my body language. It just shows that I think, in my opinion, I think that I look overall more comfortable on conventional. So I think from going on, I think I'm gonna be doing conventional instead of sumo.